guys, welcome to review set number 2. Today I will review a set called Lego City Police Pursuit 60128. This have 2 cars, 2 minifigures and a safe. And these 2. Okay, we will review the minifigure first. The police officer. This is the new from Prison Island. The shirt is good, blue. And next is the Prison Island bad guy. They have stripes and numbers, gray, and his hair and his face. Okay, let's read. We will review this safe. Safe inside only have Lego money 300 and numbers to unlock it. And these 2 police stop sign. And with the police supercar. This is called a super. With these 2, sorry. And this wing, the air dynamic. The sign is computer print. It's not a sticker. Police and this girl is good. And this police. And inside a seat, police officer. The next will go to crooks pick up truck. And this have a special thing is this. Open the safe one. This is the new from Prison Island set. Okay, there's 2 and a spotlight, there's 2 torchlight, and this claw, and his face and the number plate. And you can open this and this. And the back is plain and no light, just thing. And inside can sit 1 crooks inside, and the color is good. They have 3 color also: gray, black, dark brown. So thank you for watching, and please watch my next video, my next review set video. Thank you. Bye.